Let's go.
You can see the pictures I paint, son. If I ain't the king of New York, then it ain't one.
What's up, YouTube? We are at the end of this Honda series, at least for now. My job is done, just about. So the dash came out nice, actually, both pieces, and you can see how I kept it black in there. That just looks so much better. Yeah, so the interior pieces came out nice. I have the car covered because I didn't want anything to happen to it while I was, breathing. Because, you're at the end now, so we ain't got time for mistakes now. So, hold on. Okay, YouTube, let me tell you guys what happened. So, I have been going so hard on this car for the last couple of days. I mean, it makes no sense at all. In the last 24 hours alone, I've worked 21 straight hours to wrap the car up to leave. So a lot of the footage that I recorded, I don't even know what I recorded. I'm looking at blackness and all kind of stuff going. I think I recorded my foot. I don't know what's going on. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm about to give you guys some throwback of what this car has gone through, the things I've done to the car, and then I'm going to try to salvage what video I can that's going to take it all the way to the end. So hope you guys understand. I just been, a lot of time, man. She got me working like crazy. But anyway, YouTube, all right, so that's what we're going to do. We're going to take it back for the new people that have not been following this job. Y'all gonna see where we started up to now, and for the people who have been following it, then you guys will see a little refresher of everything that's been done to get it to the point where it is now. And then for everybody, we're gonna just bring it on home. All right, so on that note, let's get to the work. Sup YouTube? It is 4:30 in the morning, 4:39 in the morning. I'm exhausted. I I have not gone home yet. I've been here all night trying to wrap up the Honda. I told her it will be in her driveway by the time she wakes up in the morning. So I've been here all night trying to put it together. Now you guys see, I know a lot of you wanted to see it come outside and get the sunshine shot, but listen, the ground is still wet. We've been getting rain and all kind of stuff. So unless the sun comes out before, but I'm exhausted. I've not been home. I've been working straight through. So right now, let me give y'all a recap on the car. Hold on. Anyway, YouTube, so I'm back inside. So, like I was saying, I told her that when she wakes up this morning, the car is going to be in her driveway. I'm exhausted, so you guys got to forgive me. So anyway, yeah, so like I said, I wanted to take it out. I wanted to show it off in the sun, let you guys see it. I know a lot of you guys have been asking for the outside sun shot, but it's just been so crazy trying to get this car done. I have been here way too long. I'm just going to say way too long. But anyway, since I can't take it outside, I'm going to have to try to do my best right now to show you guys the quality of the paint job. Let's do this. Put it there. And we'll look at the reflection. See the reflection of the El Camino in it? Hold on. We're going to do better than that. Since I did the Grand 7 tag before, we're going to do it again. Alright, let's see. Hope it's this way. Hold on. YouTube. You see it? Okay. Y'all see it? Told you guys, man, I got nothing to hide. I want to go down this side too? Okay. Where is it? You see it? Okay. And the car's dirty right now. I haven't even washed it. Oh yeah, that's the repair area. Look at that. Come on, YouTube. Come on, YouTube. Anyway, so right now, I just have a little bit left to do. Pop in that console. Pop in the radio trim and stick the radio in. The dash is in. That came out nice. Put this in, and that's it. Everything is already hooked up, so it's just popping that in, and I'm gonna take it outside and wash it for her. I don't want to deliver it. This car is filthy right now. See that? This car is filthy. So I don't want to take it back like that. So when she comes out in the morning, I should have asked her what time she wakes up in the morning, but I didn't. So when she comes out in the morning and sees it in front of her house, I want it to look good. You know what I'm saying, YouTube? All right, listen. I got to go. All right, so I guess I'll cut you guys back on when we get outside. All right.
can't stop.